the video in quite a while, by the way. Okay. You can see I'm pretty good at this game. And if you don't know this game, let me tell you. This is what you call grow a garden. And this is like 3 days, 4 days worth of stuff I have here. You can see I literally have an entire forest. And that's not even the best. I'm not even the best player. Some people have golden crops over here. Like crazy. Oh yeah. I have a bunch of huge. I wonder if this blueberry bush is rare. 400 for each seed. And oh yeah, look at this. This is dragon fruit. And then look at this. This is supposed to be an apple tree. It's so big. I'm gonna sell 12k easy. What are the seeds that are in stock? I forgot. I already bought them. If you wanted to see my inventory, probably not. It's about to stop. Yes, I am pro. Very big pro. Wait, I had a coconut? No! Again? This is the second time! Been playing for like 15 minutes and I already get it. Wow. RNG is just crazy. Like, dude, look at that. That's a dragon fruit, but wait, no, that's a cactus fruit. That is shiny. And just like again, I'll end this video at around 14 minutes. Since you can find why on what was it again? Dead Zone Classic Exploring Part 2 or Dead Zone Classic Exploring Part 3. Anyways, just look at it. Look at it. It's so shiny.
Yes, so don't forget, she is Timmy's mom. What is Timmy's mom saying? Eddie.
Yeah, I was talking to my cousin. 68k again? Wow.
Very good. So Emma,
This is insane.
One,
Whoa, it's so big.
her.
Oh, it's only kilograms. It's regular. 13k just for a little bit of work. Wow.
What is one saying? That's me.
Let's see what are this. Oh, I can complete my quest. I can complete my quest.
Sauce that Emma wants to wear.
Watermelon.
How about you, Eddie?
Watermelon.
Socks do you want?
Yes. And I still have. Okay, never mind. Now we go to the quest giver, which will now give us our singular seed pack. Look, this is what seed pack look like. Oh, lag spike. I don't know why. Is it because my graphics is okay? You know what?
The answer is
Okay, what is going on?
Emma's.
Okay, much better. Still not? What's going on? Why did I suddenly gain lag? Oh, it's all fixed.
Yellow chicken.
I claim my seed pack. Oh, shiny. shiny blueberry.
Color do you like?
Watermelon!
Okay, I hope we can.
No way! No way! No way! No way! No way! It's the first of its kind! It's the first of its kind! 13K? Wow! It's not too much. I mean, where is it again?
Where is Emma's red hat?
This singular piece of gold bamboo, yeah, it's worth more.
So Emma wants to wear.
And it's worth 720K. I'm not joking. It's that rare. So it's that expensive. Oh yeah, and also I had a 14 kilogram shocked apple.
This red hat. Okay, do you have a red hat?
I'm gonna have to go to a birthday party, so I have to end this soon.
I want to wear a red hat. Okay, nice work for now. Let's go get your
Yes.
nice dress.
Okay, that was a pause.
First word.
Just had to tell my dad that birthday party. Yo. Hey, it's my friend called Moon. It was good. Ito lagi.
Jack! It's a jacket! This is a jacket. Oh, the yellow jacket.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that is a t-shirt. Okay. Yes, very good. And still, you deserve an awesome star for that. Let's go to the next. Eddie, you have to. For this bubble, you have to say of the
It's a rainbow apple. A rainbow apple.
2, 1. Eddie, go. Okay, next.
Give me some.
And also, this girl. So you have to give them what they want.
I think I'm lagging because of my own garden at this point. There's so many stuff in here.
And this girl is wearing a yellow shirt. Here we have to speak and say, okay? Emma will say, I want to wear mine. You have to say the color and the Eddie.
No way. Not again. Not again. So big. Oh my god. It's so big. It's a mutated
have a yellow t-shirt.
Did I just grab it?
And
11 kilograms.
next one.
I still haven't got the actual thing yet. Let me get it, please. I need that, please. I really need that.
What color?
Grab it. 41 kgs.
You like to.
41.
Do you have a blue jacket? Yes. How about the black jacket?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Amazing.
What? Oh. 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 It's so big. It's so big. I couldn't see it clearly because Stephen is getting destroyed by the. Oh, now my camera. 42K. 42K. 42K.
Red hat. What else do you want to wear?
Wow. Wow.
Yay! Thank you.
Oh, I can get some
Don't forget to
watermelons.
review all of those words. I know you have.
Watermelon. Look at this beautiful watermelon.
Let's sing after. Well done, star for Eddie.
No way. Glad I didn't sell. I'm so happy I didn't sell. Look at. It's so much bigger than me. It's so much bigger than me.
Goodbye, Eddie. Thank you.
Canal, I love this game just by what I'm doing right now.
Good.
And you can tell I love it just for my inventory. Probably gonna end this soon. I mean, it's only 13 minutes and I have CapCut, but then I deleted it. I don't know how to edit. And I don't want to edit. And what you're watching right now is just raw footage, unedited footage of pure gaming. Except for me pressing this pause button right here, which I guess can count as a edit because you're cutting it.
Ito si ano, yung umulong sa kanya tayo. Pero magkasama yun?
Yung Amerikano,
Oo.
ito na oh.
Kaya
It's a big dragon fruit.
kasama yan ni ano, pakito.
Well, goodbye. See you anytime I can make another video. I still have a YouTube channel, so this is why I'm doing this. This game is very cool too. Alright, bye. See you in the next video.